So we're in 2514, which I believe is on the second floor. So at the very end of the hallway, here is our room 2514, and Sean's gonna do the honors and let us in. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you here. Today I'm going to take you on our tour of a one-bedroom DVC villa here at Disney's Grand Californian. So our travel dates here are January 22nd through the 24th, 2020, and it was 31 points for each weeknight, so we used a total of 62 points to stay here. And just to give you some background on how we booked this room, 7 months ago I was able to book one night here, and I really wanted to make sure that we could stay here for 2 nights, so I put in a waiting list, or a wait list rather, and I'm so thankful that it came through. I think we received confirmation 2 or 3 months later that it came through, so I'm very thankful that it did, because it can be very difficult to secure rooms here at the Grand Californian. Okay, so let's start at our entrance. We've got a peephole here, and we've got this latch, and we've got our deadbolt here. Okay, so right when you open the door, this is your first view. I can't wait to show you around, but let's get over the boring stuff first. So let's take a look at our closet, which is to the left of our entrance in this suite. And we've got a laundry basket up there. We've got an iron board, plenty of room for all of your luggage, and we've got some hangers there. Let me go ahead and slide this closed and open the other side. So at the top is where we have some extra pillows and blankets for the guest bed. Here are all of the hangers that we have, and like I said, plenty of room here. We've also got a stool down there. So on the right is an entrance into the next door suite. I apologize, I'm not sure if it's a studio villa or if it's like another 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom, not sure. Let's go ahead and take a look at the kitchen. So in our 1-bedroom villa, we've got a freezer. Ooh, we've got the fridge. Sean and I actually went to Target and bought some water jugs so we can stay hydrated on this trip. So here we've got our toaster, we've got a full-size stove, and above the stove is where we have our microwave. Here is the coffee situation. So we've got some Joffreys, we've got some coffee creamers and whatnot, and some tea, paper towels, and an old school Mr. Coffee machine. Let's open up some of these cabinets. So we've got our plates and our bowls, and then we've also got the amenity list, and it also has the housekeeping schedule here. Let's see what's at the top. Nothing. Opening this just to make sure there's nothing up there. And let's open this right one. Ooh, here we go, here we go. So we've got some cups up there, we've got some wine glasses, and more glassware. And, ooh, they've even supplied us with coasters. All right, let's see what is in this drawer here. So we've got some kitchen towels, and we've also got a cutting board in there. And down below in this drawer, we've got some serving dishes. To the right, we've got cooking utensils. We've also got some reusable shopping bags, which is pretty neat. And in this cabinet, we've got a measuring cup and a pitcher. All right, so here is our ice bucket with some glassware, and let's take a look at our sink. So we've got our faucet, we've got some hand soap. Oh, and it's also dish soap. So hand soap and dish soap, that's awesome. We've got some dishwasher detergent, and we've got a sponge. Down below the sink, we've got more paper towels. We've also got a dish drying rack, more dishwasher detergent, some garbage bags, and our garbage. And then right next to the sink is where the dishwasher is. Ta-da, full size. Okay, let's take a look at our island. So just to give you a heads up, this is on wheels, so it does move. And let's take a look and see what's in this drawer. So in this drawer, we've got all of our utensils. So we've got plenty of spoons and forks. In this drawer, we've got all of our cutlery items. So if you have kids, make sure that this is secure so nobody hurts themselves. And in this drawer, we've got some kitchen utensils like a can opener, a bottle opener, and a peeler. Down in this cabinet, we've got this doohickey thing. We've got this larger serving bowl. And in here, we've got some metal mixing bowls and some glass cooking dishes. All right, so that was our lovely kitchen, and let's take a look at our dining area. So in the dining area, we've got 2 movable benches on each end, and then we have a long built-in bench, a long table, and 2 chairs. Oop. See, I totally bumped into this thing. So next to this dining area is this closet, and this is where all of our cleaning supplies are. So we've got a mop, we've got our vacuum here, and we've also got a broom and a dustpan. All right, let's take a look at our living room area. It's very spacious. Something I do want to point out here is this cool Mickey on the counter. We've got 2 bar stools. We've got a flat screen TV, and in here is a bed. Looks like it can fit 1 person. Okay, so next to the TV is access to our deck. So let me open this door so we can see what it looks like outside. We've got, it's a little dark here, but we've got 2 chairs and a little table. And here is the bedroom, but I'll show you guys that later in a little bit. Let's take a look at our view. Okay, back to the living room. So the couch there, it's a pull-out couch, so that could fit 2 people. We've got a book on the coffee table. It is One Day at Disney, and we've also got our remote. I love the art piece that's behind the couch. It's of Grand Californian. Here we've got another lamp and our telephone, a pen and some paper in here, telephone information, and then a couple of drawers. So let me just do a pan of the room from this angle. Nice and roomy. All right, so here is our thermostat and an art piece. Now let's take a look at our first bathroom. So this bathroom features a sliding door, and we've got a mirror, nice large mirror, and we've got a small sink. So thankfully they added this shelf here for added storage space. Down below we've got some toilet paper and an empty drawer. There's the toilet. We've got plenty of towels, And here is the shower. So it looks like they haven't gotten around to switching to the built-in shampoo and body wash. So we can take home those toiletries. Okay, so next to the first bathroom is this closet, and this closet houses our washer and our dryer. So thankfully they provide us with some laundry detergent. It looks like we're able to do 2 loads with this bottle. Pretty standard washing machine. Just giving these, or just opening these up so you can have an idea of how much it can hold. All right, last but not least, the bedroom. So when we first get into the bedroom, we see the massive bathroom. We've got this nice large jetted tub, and we can also see through the bedroom if we want it, but if we don't, we can just close those doors and take a look at how much room there is in this bathroom. It's so beautiful. The toilet has its own room. Here is our large walk-in shower. There's even a bench in there. Some of the toiletries that are provided. So we even have a shower cup, shower cap, a shoe mitt, and some facial soap here. The mirror in here is so massive. But look at all the countertop space that we have. So over there we've got our tissue box, we've got some drawers, they're empty, our trash can down there, toilet paper, our hair dryer, more storage space down here, and another empty drawer. All right, so we're gonna zip around here, and we have this nice full-length mirror. And when we open the door, we find a closet. So at the top is where we can find extra pillows and blankets. And then we've got 2 plush robes in here. So this says Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa. We've got some hangers. We've got some laundry bags. We've got a built-in safe. And we've got a luggage rack. All right, let's take a look and see the details in the bedroom. So we've got this massive king-size bedroom. We also have access to the porch through a sliding door over there. We've got a desk, a large flat screen TV, plenty of drawers, and we've also got this bench here. All right, I'm gonna pan the video towards this side, that way you can see the view from this angle as well. So here is our sliding door. Sorry guys, it's already dark outside, but yeah, here's our sliding door. And then if we walk towards this way, we can access the door to get into the living room. So at the desk, we've got some USB ports for charging, some electrical outlets, this booklet here that talks about this wonderful hotel and resort. And then we also have this, this guest book on the Orange County area. You'll also notice that there is plenty of room underneath the bed. That way you can store your luggage down there. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, be sure to do that now. Also, if you have any questions at all about Disney Vacation Club or any questions about this room, please leave them down below and I will reply to them as soon as I can. Also, be on the lookout for my next Disney room tour. It's going to be of a hotel room at the Disneyland Hotel. See you guys again real soon.